Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to verify your OnlyFans account, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is to log into your account. Now from here you can find this add card button here. Now you can find this verify option. Simply click on verify and you can find this page where they will give you some important notice and terms and conditions. Now you have to agree with them. Now you have to start the identification verification on your mobile phone. So you have to scan this QR code on your mobile device. So when you have scanned it, or you can copy the link and send it to your mobile device, then you can get into the verification page through this link. So when you are on that link, they might ask for 9 pieces of personally identifying information or documents before you can post content on Onlyfans, including your full name, verified email address, postal address, date of birth, valid government photo ID. You have to take the front side and back side photo of your valid government issued identity card. Then the stand alone selfie to verify yourself, like you have to stand alone in a light surface and you have to scan your face with a selfie while holding their photo ID. You have to hold your photo ID on your hand and you have to take a selfie as a proof. Then social media account handles like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter handles, then bank account information. Then just like here, you have to add your card or your bank details or your billing address, anything you can add here, like your address here. You can zip post and portal. You have to add the name on the card, then card name number here, then the expiration date and CVC. So when you have added the bank information, then in the United States, 999 and social security number. If you're a US person or US citizen, then you have to add the 999 and the social security SSN number. So when you have added this, depending on the country, fans may have to provide various personal identification information, confirmations, payment details and documents to view media content on Onlyfans. So they how many account does Onlyfans reject each month? You can see there is 59% of account are going to be, they can reject because of wrong method. So you can just you can find this from here. You have to be like 18 plus years old to interact with the OnlyFans. And here is all the data. So they can continue to check both creator and fan accounts after an account is open. So they proactively recheck age and identification verification using both technology and human intelligence, and they investigate any concerns from their community or the other interested third parties like law enforcement, commercial partners or non-governmental organizations. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.